Y'all, I feel called to get on here and say this because I never really spoke on it, but now I feel called to speak on it. And I will not speak out of anger. I will not speak harm unto anyone. But there were a lot of people that spoke harm onto me, y'all, that told me I couldn't do it, that I wasn't good enough to take guardianship of my sister, that told me I couldn't get my house, that told me I was going to be a failure, that told me I couldn't do all of the things that I'm actively doing. And when you surrounded by those people, just remove yourself. Because it's people out here that I used to be related to that are now hurting because I left, because I tried to instill boundaries, because I tried to advocate for myself. Because I advocated for myself, for what I would stand for what I wouldn't stand for. And when people know your heart is pure, that your intentions are pure, they will try to use you to their best advantage. So if your family members, if your friends, if the people you work with, if the people in your immediate surroundings are trying to doubt you, trying to put down on you, trying to speak negative things over you, just remove your presence, because my presence is a present. Kiss my ass. What Kanye was saying, okay? Like, you are the blessing. You are the gift. And I felt called to say that. Like, let me be a testimony, because I'm doing bravely. I'm doing greatly without all of those people. And it's like, I've never been afraid to just speak my mind. Don't be afraid to stick up for yourself. Don't be afraid to leave them behind, because where you going, then I meant to go with you, baby. I love you. CNC out, period.